To add a link module, follow these steps. Firstly, go to the experience for which you want to add the module. When the module opens, click on Build Experience section. You will see various modules over here. Click on the link module option and drag it to the designated section. Click on the module name drop-down and select New Module. Enter the name of module. Enter call to action. Enter the destination URL. Click Save. Now let's demonstrate your newly added module. This is your experience. You can recognize the link module CTA here. When you click on the button, it will redirect you to the link that you have added in the link module.